This machine really does a good job. One of the things that happens when you finish rolling the hose, how do you actually take it off and make sure that it doesn't get unwound? So we have a little clip. What I like to do is to show you how to use it. There's a rubber handle where you can hold it. There's a little distance between the two parts of the clip. And what I do, I usually come in right here on the side once we finish rolling it, and I put it on the second roll right here. 1, 2, and then I put it above. And that's it, right? So then when I can pull it a little bit out, put a little bit more, lift it up, and it's done. And I can leave this here, and I can leave this here, and my hose is nice and tidy, and it doesn't move. Or if I just roll this one, you can just come in from the top, and just align it, tighten it down, and you can use the second one, or you can use the third one, whatever feels comfortable for you. I like to use at least a couple of hose rolls right here. So you see 1, 2, 3, pushed all the way in, lift the hose, pushed a little bit inside right there, and now I can take both hoses and go and put them in the right place. And here we are, the rookie clip, and I'll see you next time.